Hello, now I'm gonna teach you how to record by the sound module for the basically okay operation. The first one, I will teach you how to see the details. This is the light sensor. This is a microphone, and this is the button. Yes, and as you can see, the joint is protected. It's protected by the groove. Yes, the joint is protected by the groove. Okay. By the groove. This one, the groove. Okay. Yes, and this one is the groove. And the three battery. And for this one is a pull tab. Okay, pull tab. This is a sticker. Adversity sticker. This one is a sticker. You can stick. You can tear it out. Yes, and stick to somewhere you want, to the card. Okay, to the card. Okay, to the card. And okay, now I'm gonna show you how to record your sound to the sound module. The first step is to pull out. Yes, pull out the insulator, and then press the button. Press the button for long while. When you hear B sound, you start to record. And don't release your button when recording. Finally, when you finish your recording, release the button. Yes, to finish recording. Then you will hear B sound. Yes. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now start to record. Hello, nice to meet you. Now I'm recording, so I must speak loudly and close to the microphone. Okay, release it and then beep. Yes. Activate the sound by a pull tab.
Hello, nice to meet you. Now I'm recording, so I must speak loudly and close to the microphone.
Yes. And activate by the light sensor.
Hello, nice to meet you. Now I'm recording, so I must speak loudly and close to the microphone.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.